Use the distributive property to fill in the blanks below. Okay, so what's going on here? We've got, 5 times 7 plus 5 times 8. When we're factoring, what we're doing is we're looking at these two quantities. They're being added together, and we're looking to see what's common out of both of them. Factoring is really just division. So it's like, what's common between these two? Well, we have a 5 and a 5. So what we can do is I can divide both of these expressions by 5. Not just like this necessarily. I mean, technically yes, but instead of doing that, we're literally taking these 5s and yanking them out. You can only do this if there's a 5 in both. So we're yanking the 5 out of both of these. And we're putting it up here. That goes away and that goes away. So if we do that, now we've got a 5, and we've still got this expression that we're adding up, but we've pulled the 5s out of each of these pieces. And so what's left is now just the 7 and just the 8. And this is what's called factoring. So when we pull that out, we've got a 7 and we got an 8. Why are we doing this? Well, because they're equivalent expressions, and this is the introduction to an operation that's super important when you move on to more advanced algebra, is the ability to factor and distribute, especially when you have variables inside. Now let me prove that this is indeed the same. So I'm going to first start with the original expression, and I'm going to carry it out. So 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 8 is 40. Then if we were to add them up using standard PEMDAS, 35 plus 40 is 75, which I'm telling you is the same as this. So let's do it this way. I factored out a 5. Now PEMDAS says that we would add 7 plus 8 together and get 15. These are the same parentheses, these are just brackets, it's the same thing. And then now we have the 5 times 15, 5 times 15 is indeed 75. And that's what factoring is all about. Next one, we've got 4 times 3 plus 4 times 2, same thing. What's common in both of these expressions? The 4. So we're going to pull the 4 out of both of these guys. And then what's left is a 3 and a 2. So now we've got 4 times 3 plus 2, and that's all we're doing. So here the 4 comes up there.